Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile on PC. In just a few simple steps, you can control how your Facebook profile appears in search engine results. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Select Settings. Step 5. Choose Privacy. Step 6. Next to Do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? Click on Edit. Step 7. Click on the drop-down menu to open it. Step 8. Check the box next to Allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. By following these simple steps, you can give search engines permission to include your Facebook profile in their search results. This can help you connect with a wider audience and increase your online presence. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on using Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you next time.